Hola Nihavias, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year! Finally on 10th of January, so Akeome. Japanese 101, Akemashite omedetou gozaimasu. It's kind of greeting for New Year, but it's fucking too long, 15 characters. So we often say Akeome, which means the same meaning. Instead of saying 15 characters, we say Akeome. But it's too casual, so you cannot say it to your boss, okay? To be honest with you, I've been very lazy for almost 2 weeks. I didn't do anything special for 2 weeks. And I didn't even know what kind of video I should make. Then I've been thinking about the new topic. But today, finally, I moved my ass to make this video. As you know, I check all of your comments and I just remember some people asked me to cook some food from this comic Shokugeki no Souma, Food Wars. Actually, I haven't read or watched the anime before. But I checked one episode for this steak don, and I was also surprised to know that many of you guys know this Japanese anime, because I knew that name, but I haven't watched it at all. Maybe around my age, like over 30s, we're not very familiar with this manga. But since I also love cooking, so I wanted to try this one. This steak, just 4 bags, very cheap. It's from Australia. Today I'm gonna cook Chaliapin Steak. I don't know how to pronounce it in English. Chaliapin Steak. Before I start cooking, please subscribe my channel and leave a comment or a request, because it's very hard to think of the idea for the next videos. So I really count on your request. This recipe requires some time to finish, because I have to marinate this steak with chopped onion for 30 minutes or 1 hour. Okay, but yeah, let's get started. Okay, this is the steak, 250 grams of this thickness. Can you see that? Yeah. I gotta make special rice with this pickled plum, kind of salty and sour plum, with this shiso leaves and onion, just normal one, and of course frozen rice. I'm a very practical man. And red wine and honey and some soy sauce. First chop and mince the onion. I changed the angle. Let's get started. Move this part. Chop them into smaller pieces. Put them into this bath. I don't know how you call this. The silver stuff. But we say batto in Japanese. This one as well. So the smaller pieces. As you know, messing up is the key of cooking. Get done. I really should have used the bigger cupboard. I'm sorry, onions, my friend. Next, the steak. It's kind of large for just 4 bags. I love it. So take care of the meat, like this. And cut cut the muscles. The other side as well. And heat the steak, smash it. This steak, this Chaliapin steak, is supposed to be very soft. That's why we heat the steak and then marinate with the onion. I don't understand this chemical stuff, but yeah. Some chemical stuff. So put the steak onto this onion, chopped onion. Move onions. Yes. Okay, you are doing great. Guys, come over. Don't be shy. Don't be shy, onions. Keep the steak in the fridge for 30 to 1 hour. I'm super hungry, so just for 30 minutes this time. I really should have used this cut board earlier. This is my main cut board. It's bigger and better one. This one is for meat. I'm fucking lazy, man. I'm sorry, huh? Okay, this is umeboshi, the pickled plum. Take 4, and I'll take 1. Tastes very healthy. Take out the seed. Yes. Chop it. You also eat. Some people put this mirin, sweet sake, onto this paste. I will try. If you can't use alcohol, just skip it. Okay, just a little bit. I think this is too much for just one person. Maybe you just needed 2 umeboshi, the clams. I would just eat this paste. With this sourness, can I say sourness? The sourness and a little bit sweetness will make the better harmony with the steak, because steak is oily. It makes the rice less oily. You don't feel that oil. This is the paste. Oh, it's moving. Today we'll just use 2 leaves. Okay. Get rid of this part. Roll them. Roll, and cut. You know, this plum and the shiso leaves are they're good friends, so I will just put them together. You also need some potato starch, and we'll mix it with water, just a little bit. Just 2 or 3 grams is enough. Okay. Okay, the ingredients are ready, so wait until the steak is ready for another 30 minutes. Okay. Bye. Alright, it's been almost 1 hour. First rescue the steak. I'm gonna wash them off, but we don't want to waste the onion. So as much as possible, you remove the onion. Okay. And wash. Okay, now it's ready, and I think it's turned softer a little bit. Also, the color turned a little bit brown, a little bit more brown. Put some salt and pepper. Okay, let's start cooking the steak. First cook the steak and next onion, and then finally make a sauce. Okay. I will try to make it medium rare. A little bit more, maybe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's move to the other pan. And onion. Add some salt and pepper. Put some butter. It's in tube now in Japan. How about in your country? Smells great. Good. You're gonna put the rice in the microwave. Prepare the rice. Taste some onion. A little bit more butter. Okay, the onion is ready. Finally make the sauce. Put some red wine. If you can't use alcohol, you don't need to put wine, just water is okay. And soy sauce, let me say 20 milliliter. Yeah, 10 grams of honey. I also need to mix the rice. Rice is ready now. The rice and the shiso leaf and the umeboshi paste. With it. Let me taste the sauce first. It tastes like wine, so put more soy sauce. The rice is like this now. Mix it together. It smells very, very nice. I'm cooking steak don, which means it has to be in this bowl, okay? The rice. Okay, the rice is like this. The sauce, I have to finish the sauce. Just a little bit of honey and soy sauce. Okay. Now it looks like this. Potato starch and water. Add some thickness. Just a little bit more starch. I think this is enough. Not yet. A little bit more. Perfect. The sauce is ready as well. Okay, heat the steak again. I think it's getting colder. Don't want to cook it too much, but I think it's getting cold. Ten seconds. I don't know. Let's keep it, leave it half. It's fully cooked. I wanted to make it half cooked. thick part is half cooked. Let me try some. Not bad. Okay, put the steak on the rice. So garnish here. Put onion here. Put some spring onion and sesame here. Okay, yeah, looks good. Put the sauce on it. Oh, marvelous. This is my steak don. It looks beautiful, doesn't it? Well done, Yuya. It looks great. It looks great, and it's getting cold now. So let me try this. Itadakimasu. Do you still remember? The steak was just 4 bags. Yeah, it took some time, but that 4-bag steak became a great steak now. It's very soft. Compared to other like Wagyu super expensive steaks, it's not as good as them, but great. I can pay for this dish like 15 bucks. It's worth it. Really good. And I still have some. The rice is also great with the plum sourness and some shiso flavor. This is amazing. Honestly, this is one of the best ones that I shared with you guys. Oh, this is good. I will write down the final recipe in the introduction section, so please check it out, okay? I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel and leave your comments and requests. Also visit our website. We export cute kokeshi dolls. Hope you enjoy my video. See you next time.